How to make a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. As you're logged into your account on Instagram, what you can simply do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So when you tap on the plus icon, you can simply select the different options over here. Post, story, reels and live. Now since we want to make a post, I'm going to tap on the post option and select a particular picture over here. Then tap on next. As you tap on next, what you can do is you can add audio, add text, overlay, filter and make more edits. But I don't want to change anything, so I'm going to tap on next over here. And as I tap on next, it will take us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of adding captions, music and so on. So you can simply tap on the share option over here. Tap on share post. Now you can just go to your profile and just wait for a while until it gets uploaded. So let's refresh the page and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.